to the wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end the week. The S&P 500 closed out Friday above the key 5,000 level for the first time ever. The NASDAQ 100 also rose to a record high and ended the week up 1.8%. Meanwhile, the small cap Russell 2000 closed out the week up 2.4%, the most of all the major U.S. indices, and the Dow ended the week barely changed, but still in the green. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the week, 8 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher this week, with tech up by the most, 3.2%, followed by consumer discretionary and healthcare. To the downside, utilities fell more than 2%, followed by staples, consumer staples at that, and energy. Looking at some stocks on the move, Walt Disney ended the week up almost 12% as its most recent quarterly earnings beat estimates. The company also declared a new dividend and narrowed its losses during the quarter. We saw reports from social media companies this week, and in a departure from other social media stocks that have reported earnings so far, Snap and Pinterest declined after reporting their results. Snap's quarter showed mixed earnings and cautious guidance, but reported a bright spot in its daily active users, which was up 10% year over year. The social media company fell nearly 35% on the week. Pinterest fell around 7% on the week, also on mixed earnings, despite an 11% increase in monthly active users, which reached an all-time high for the company. Now, we also saw earnings from fast food companies McDonald's and Chipotle. McDonald's shares fell almost 3% during the week on mixed results, citing the impact from the Middle Eastern conflict. Chipotle, on the other hand, rose more than 6% for the week after earnings beat expectations, even as the restaurant raised its prices in the quarter. Let's look at what to watch for next week. For data, on Monday, we'll see the federal budget balance. We'll see CPI on Tuesday, retail sales and the Philly Fed on Thursday, and then we'll close out the week on Friday with PPI and consumer sentiment. But when it comes to earnings, Tuesday we'll hear from Shopify, Datadog, Coca-Cola, then Airbnb and Lyft. Wednesday, we'll hear from Cisco Systems. Thursday, we'll see reports from Deere, DraftKings, Coinbase, DoorDash, and Applied Materials. That'll do it for the wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.